They patrol the waters of all our oceans in search of prey. They are feared and respected by all who have encountered them. But today, they are the objects of the search for our final two teams trying to break a 3-day tie. And the conclusion of the competition begins now.
Hammerhead! Hammerhead! I'm trying!
I think it's an infatuation by stuff that can kill you.
Look at the size of that bull shark. Look at the size of that, boys. That changes things.
It's the final hours of 4 days of finding, catching, and releasing sharks for points. Our two surviving teams were deadlocked after 3 days of fishing, but each got here in a much different way.
Hammerhead! 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 Hammer! Hammer!
Team Vicious Strikes took a commanding lead in the middle of day 3 with a 1,200-point hammerhead shark.
Damn! That changes things.
Meanwhile, Savage Arms took a much more dangerous path to the tie.
What are you doing? Oh my God, baby!
They recovered and went on to catch their 4th shark of the day, a giant bull.
Look at the size of that bull shark. Look at the size of that, boys.
Crap!
Bam!
Woo!
With minutes to go, all that remained to be champions was to get the final hook out. And thus created the tie that led us to this final day fish-off. So now, with less than 2 hours left in the day, and both teams with only 1 shark each, the pressure begins to mount.
We really need 2 more sharks. 3 will win it, and 1 will lose it.
Oh. All right, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
God. Another good fish.
All right, good job, baby. Gaining on him. Heck yeah, it's like he got tired.
He ain't tired.
He hadn't gained any in the past.
Good fish. Just came up out there.
Our shirt's a lemon?
Yeah, good one. He's up on top. Easy. Pay attention for me. Need to watch the rod tip. Oh, he might be a hair bigger than the last one. You're at 0?
0. He's curving. Pull him.
740. Okay.
Good.
Lift back towards me, not up. There you go. Okay.
Good job, honey. Great job on that.
Another one.
That was awesome getting the hook out on that.
So we got 7-4. You know, an important thing, we got 1,200 points. Yep. And I really think that 3 sharks is gonna take this thing. It's gonna be the most, 250 points. And a 7-4 might take largest. So we got a shot, you know, but we gotta have one more fish, and I think we got an hour left.
With 1 hour remaining and only 3 sharks caught on the day, who would know that 5 more sharks were about to be caught? When we return. With 1 hour left in this final day fish-off, Vicious Strikes finds themselves down by several sharks, but continues to spread their scent in the waters.
Nice little slick now, anyway.
Good job.
Come on, Sharky, Sharky. Only wants to play. You have another cuda in that cooler?
No, sir. That was it. Wait.
I got him.
Wait. Are the line clear?
I don't know. It's got a little weight, not much though. I'm gonna guess not. But I'm gonna fight him anyway. Double!
Got it.
It's a massive. That's better. Where's your line? Make sure you're not. We're not gonna cut
underneath
off.
you. Let me go underneath.
You sure you're underneath? Yeah,
I'm underneath.
Go. Little chumming, baby. Little chumming. Oh.
Got the feel of a bull to it.
Good.
What is it?
Naked.
What is that? Is that a bull?
That's a bull.
Small bull, bud.
A small bull.
Hey, that thing gonna make it?
I think it's gonna make it, Rob. Little bull.
Little bull?
Little bull.
Let me see what I got real quick. I almost got him up.
All right.
Judging by the feel of this is gonna be 5 feet. Yeah, little bull. No. Is that a black? Black tip?
Black tip, black tip, black tip. Never mind. You look good. I'm gonna take him up to the bow. See what yours is. Later.
We are officially on the board. He's 5. Guarantee you. I don't know how we're gonna do this. I ain't figured that out yet, but we'll look at the better fish, you know, because the biggest fish might win it. Gotta be a bull. It's too big to be anything else. Oh! Whew!
You want me to handle this shark?
You think you can get that hook out by yourself?
Yeah.
All right, do what you gotta do. Don't lose that hook. Those are valuable points.
I think I got him under control now if I can do this.
This might be a black tip. Got some balls to it. How we doing over there, bro? You want to take the fish and I'll do it?
You want to trade it?
Yeah.
Go. Got it. Go.
Hook out.
Nice job.
I think it's a bull, but I'm not 100%. It's just, we need to identify it properly. Got some balls to it.
I'll get him.
I'm getting the line back out.
Yeah, go ahead. There's color.
I've seen it a bunch of times. It looks like a freaking bull.
It does look like a bull. No, it's a big black tip.
No.
It's a big black tip. It's a big black tip.
You sure?
Positive. Look, here he is. See this thing? Big black tip.
Oh my God, that's huge, dude.
Yeah, we might want to tail him to get an accurate measurement on this.
All right.
We don't know what Bo's got, so.
That's one of the biggest black tips I've ever seen.
That is a big black tip. Shark on!
Their third shark in a row in the final hour next.
I like it! I like it! Oh, black tip! It's jumping! Nice! He's jumping! That's one of the biggest black tips I've ever seen.
That is a big black tip. Shark on!
I like it! I like it! Oh, black tip! It's jumping! Nice! He's jumping! Jumping again! All right, this is not a huge fish, so we can...
Yeah, let's get this one covered.
When you get him up on his side, I'll be right there.
He's up on his side.
I got
Tell you what, that's a strong black tip. Don't need another shower. I just got dry.
He's gonna be close. Real close.
Don't get near this one.
No. Are you ready to land it?
He's done. Yeah, he's done.
Let me get the gloves on. All right, I'm at 0. 6. All right. 1. Look out, baby. Right there. There's that. Right there. Hook out, baby, right there. Get this over. I'm at the 5 foot mark barely. Just right there.
Right there, it's dead 0.
Dead 0?
Dead 0.
We're right there. We're right at 5 foot. Not an inch more. But we got it. All right. Let me get my hook back. You can next.
Tail. Nice, fishy.
And just like that, we had 900 points.
Maybe more.
Maybe more. 6 foot might make biggest. Hey, brother. Get chumming. Keep her going. Let's throw that barracuda back in.
Yeah.
We've struggled all day. We're in this cleaner water. We're getting sharks. I know there's a chance at a bull and a home run shot for a hammerhead. So we got nothing else to do. This is the most action we've had all day. You concur, Bob? Bob, what's your name? Paul?
I almost forgot.
I'm sorry you didn't.
Only gonna do it once, even though we got 3.
You have been practicing.
Hey, we caught a lot of sharks last time.
Team Vicious Strikes goes all in on their last spot of the day. Further inshore, Savage Arms is also grinding it out in the final hour. But Captain Bo Johnson wasn't always into shark fishing. He cut his teeth training and wrestling alligators for his adrenaline fix. But since then, he's moved into the ocean, wrestling other creatures with teeth.
Down to the wire again. And I still think we need one more shark. I'm still worried. Still worried. You know, we're fishing against Rob and Paul, and it's anyone's game. Nobody that fishes this stuff is a slouch, or they wouldn't be in it. So on any given day, any one of us can win. It just depends on if it's your day. And I really want it to be our day. I think if we got one more, I think we win. We have 39 minutes left. We might get another one. Could happen. we have to win. My eyes hurt from staring at the water to see the line bounce. Fish on.
Come on. Be on. Yes.
I don't think he's big enough.
Wow, he's
I've been sitting here, staring at a rod tip, and all I wanted was another shark. Obviously, I didn't specify. I needed a shark that was 5 foot or bigger because he's not gonna make it. He's cute.
You are kind of cute.
See, this is what we need him to look like. This is what he looks like. How long we got? 15 minutes?
16 and a half minutes.
16 and a half
Actually,
minutes.
15 and a half minutes.
Well, if they don't call, they wanted 4 sharks. That means everybody's got 2, at least. Come on, fish. That's him. Oh, it's gonna be a big fish. This one's important.
Yeah, this is huge right here. Huge.
With few minutes remaining, Team Savage Arms is convinced they need one more shark to win the 2012 Madfin Shark Series. But time has nearly run out.
How long we got? 15 minutes?
16 and a half minutes.
16 and a half
Actually, 15
minutes.
and a half minutes.
Well, if they don't call, they wanted 4 sharks. That means everybody's got 2, at least. Come on, fish. That's him. Oh, it's gonna be a big fish. This one's important.
Yeah, this is huge right here. Huge.
On the black one. It hadn't been hit all day. Good job, baby. Ready for the leader? Deidre. Leader.
Do not go under the boat. Chest on. We need this hook out.
Easy. Nice and easy, baby. Nice and easy. Not easy. Six. You know it's coming. Right here. Ah. Damn, we need it.
Can I have some of that too?
Yeah. Yeah, you get some too. All right. I said it was gonna take 3.
You have been saying
Now I wonder
that
if
all
we're
day,
here.
babe.
What time is it?
Let's check the time. It is
4:54.
with 6 minutes to spare.
I feel a lot better than I did 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago. I mean, that's 2 fish and in the last.
I mean, we could, I don't know about first, but we could have biggest.
We could finish second.
And
Both teams run back to the meeting, playing the different scenarios over in their heads as they arrive at Tarpon Lodge. Since the tie happened on day number 3, both teams got to keep one trophy apiece until the fish-off. Now that the time is here, only one team will claim them both and be champions.
How much closer can you get than 3 sharks apiece? 3 sharks per team. Maybe the first and most pertinent piece of information is that the 3 sharks for Team Vicious Strikes were black tips for a total of 900 points. So with 3 lemon sharks, also the biggest shark and the first shark of the day, Team Savage Arms is your champion for 2012 in the Mad Fin Shark Series. Congratulations.
In the end, Team Savage Arms wins the fish-off with higher scoring bull sharks, which makes them the 2012 Mad Fin Shark Series champions.
You know what? I still let him take one home, because we'll share.
yeah.
You've earned it, bro.
Thanks. Dude, I'm gonna tell you what, we all earned it after this.